What's up, guys? So let me show you some secret in Legona. Ah, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. How are you all doing? So before we even continue, let me share the product of today. As usual, I'm using just water and this Mamiya deep conditioner. Okay, but you can use whatever that you want, whatever that you have, baby. You can use your conditioner, leave-in conditioner, whatever. So the light was not focusing. Your girl was like, what is happening? So I said, let it go, Jerry. Anyway, so I started out by patting out some parts, okay, and then I'll saturate my hair with water. Okay, I'll saturate my hair, the part that is sectioned out, with enough water, and after that I'll go in with large quantity of this Mamiya deep conditioner, guys, and then still further such. In fact, the quantity that I used, it was even too much. I had to put part of it in front. You know, so I gave big guy. Okay, guys, so yeah, introduction to this video is me showing you guys how easy it is to take down your mini twist. So instead of starting from the tip like this, now go to the roots, drive some motor, baby. Drive it, turn it the opposite direction of the twist, chuck your hand inside any opening and then pull, drive and pull, reverse and pull, and then you see you got yourself one loose twist. And then what you have to now do is to take your time and separate each individual strand. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but that's the best way that I can explain it. So separate each twist section. I don't know, but you guys see what I'm doing. Take your time and do what I'm doing. If you don't want to experience excessive shedding. Okay, now let us take another let's see another example. So you twirl the opposite direction, put your hand and separate it like that, guys. This is mini twist takedown made easy. This is literally the easiest way, but before you even do this, you have to, the installation process matters a lot. So before you install your twist, I will advise that you watch this video, guys. Watch this video before you install your twist, okay, so that you will understand that you don't need to twist, you don't need to braid from the roots first before twisting, guys. One of the reasons why I was not doing this mini twist before was the takedown process. But ever since I discovered this method, hey Chineke, can you imagine that it takes literally nothing to lose your twist? How easy and fast it is. Look at how easy and fast it is. So the installation process, the way you install it matters a lot when you're taking it down. That is what I was rambling on in that my twist video, the loose mini twist video, where I was telling you guys you have to separate when you're parting out the hair. Make sure that the hair is in two equal parts. Make sure that you don't borrow from each side. Make sure that you twist all the way from the root to the end. This is the reason why I was hammering upon twisting from the root to the end and not borrowing from each side. This is all the reason, because the way that you install your twist matters a lot when you're taking it down. It will determine whether you will take it down with this breezy driving mode, or if you are going to struggle taking it down. So once you've sectioned out, once you've loosed out a little part, spray water again to reactivate the deep conditioner, whatever conditioner that you're using. If it's not much, apply a little bit more. Then make sure that you gently comb that part out, right? The tangle, comb it out, twist it and leave it. Don't wait until you lose the entire hair, please. Don't wait until you lose the entire hair. If all these things, we are trying to prevent shedding excessive hair, okay? Let me show you what I mean in the other section of the hair too. So I'm through losing some part in this other part, in this other side. And as you can see, I'm taking my time to brush out any tangles. Guys, please, this thing, just take your time and do it. We don't want to lose any hair that we've already accumulated so far, do we? So you twist that part out and you leave it. Now for my babies in the back seat, let's see how it goes. Let me show you the front part of this twist to show it, to drive it home even better. It is the same thing. Guys, my energy in this video, my energy is unmatched, honestly. So yeah, just the same. Drive, reverse the opposite direction, and then chook your hand in any opening to make it even easier, and keep reversing until you get to the tip. That's the end of the hair. And once you've loosened out a little bit, just gather it together, spray a little bit of water, put a little bit of conditioner in your hand, and then use it to detangle that part and brush it out, then twist it out. Okay, do you get it? All right, guys, this is the end part of the whole hair. Can you see what shrinkage is doing to me? But shrinkage means that your hair is healthy and strong and unique. Oh, now I say, make I tell you how I lose them. Bye bye, yo.